Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable microphone access in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to Privacy and Security. Now scroll down. Here you can see microphone. You just have to click on this. Now here you can see microphone access. And also you can see let apps access your microphone. If you want to disable your microphone separately, you can customize it. You can turn off the button separately from different apps. Or if you want to disable your microphone from all the apps, you just have to turn on this button. So this is how you can disable your microphone access from your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.